Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Vestas, global leader in sustainable energy solution, is looking for supply chain professionals to work from their Chennai office. Let's look on qualifications, competency and job responsibilities. They are looking for an engineering graduate with 5 to 7 year XP on demand and supply planning with exposure of international supply chain, production and inventory management. APICS certified candidates will be preferred. Candidate must have worked on SAP module and expertise in Excel. He should have ability to comprehend master data parameters and their impact on planning, coupled with an innovative problem-solving approach using techniques like 8D and fishbone analysis. Job responsibility includes supporting the demand planning process through activities like forecast validation, market intelligence validation, and setting up Kanban calculations. Managing supplier forecast and monitoring consumption, as well as supporting supplier performance measurement, improvement, and contract implementation. Conducting root cause analysis for stockouts and on-time delivery issues and implementing mitigation actions. Work location for this position will be Chennai. To apply for this position, check the link in description box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.